While every girl is different, it's pretty easy to know the signs a girl has a crush on you. Girls really aren't as complicated as everyone might think. The minute you decipher how a girl acts and her intentions behind them, it's easier to understand them. The main fear when it comes to asking someone out, flirting with someone, or just interacting at all is rejection. If you're curious if a girl has a crush on you, that could mean she merely finds you attractive, she wants to go out with you, or she genuinely likes you. Just the way she behaves around you is proof enough. Is she secretly in love crushing with you? Well, if she's doing these 16 things, she most probably is. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Let's start. Number 1. She gives you a little more attention than she gives other people. She will usually say yes without hesitation if you ask her to hang out. She will try to make sure that you are happy and always want to be around her. This is a big sign that she cares about you, because if she wants to hang out with everyone else and do what they say. Why is she so attentive to you? It's true. She shows that she wants to be around you and be with you. Two things that mean a lot to a relationship. If she only wanted to hang out with everyone, why would she care so much about what you do and where it is? She shows that not only does she want to associate with you, she also cares about you and cares about your well-being. Number 2. She gives you thoughtful, little gifts. You are often familiar with the fact that women like to go shopping. And if she finds out that you have a favorite band, movie, or book that she does not know, that might be the best excuse for her to go shopping. If you've seen her buy gifts for you and give them to you at random, it's probably because she has feelings for you. It's really simple. If she crushes you, she will give you small gifts. They may not be expensive or that big, but they will mean the world to you. Things like art, trinkets, and pictures. It shows that she likes to be around you and cares about your well-being. She cares about your life by giving thoughtful gifts like this. It's a subtle way to show that she cares. If she likes to give thoughtful gifts and send cute little messages, she may have feelings for you. Number 3. She always shows her affection by saying, "I really like it when a woman is able to show me her love in public. It makes me feel respected and cared for, but also attractive and masculine." You are pretty much the same. If you've seen her act differently than you normally would, it's probably because she has feelings for you. She's quiet and will not be party life, but she really appreciates being around you. If it was a random place, she would never want to be there. But it comes with you, she's ready to focus a little more. You make me so happy. If she shows that affection with you by saying things like, or "I want to be with you," it means she really likes you. It seems that she cares a lot about you. Number 4. She says nice things about you when other people are around. A girl who loves you so much always wants others to know how great a boy you are. If you see that she never has anything negative to say about you, she will probably care about you. However, you will not be able to tell her until she has a heated argument about something and someone comes to your rescue. If she is really upset about something and speaks negatively about you to another person, she will immediately come to your rescue. When someone supports you or says something positive about you, it shows that they say they like you not just because they feel pressured, that they really like you. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Number 5. She likes share a meal with you. If a girl wants to share a meal with you, it shows that she wants to compromise on the little things. She sees you as someone similar. For her, it means that if she likes you, she should be able to talk to you and spend time with you without paying for everything. She does not ask for more than what she already has. A girl who loves you so much will definitely put her money where her mouth is, even if it's $1 or $2. She will share the bills with you and maybe even pay for your drinks. That's right, it's simple, but it is a sign that she wants to be around you and is open to the idea that she might like you. If she wants to be around you only if the other person pays, it could be a coincidence that she does. But if she wants to share a meal with you, it means she has feelings for you. Number 6. She likes spend time with you. Whenever she is with you, she always makes sure everyone else is having a good time and not have to worry about anything else. For example, she makes sure they have a snack or drink. Making sure people around you are having a good time is one of the most important ways to find out if she's really fond of you. If she cares about you and those around you, it means she cares about you. It's a big sign that she has feelings for you. She wants to make sure that everyone is having fun, which means that any possible drama will not affect her or anyone else around her. When men are happy and fun, then a woman is more attractive. No doubt about it. If she makes sure everyone else has a good time, she will probably be interested in you. Number 7. She'll wait until after everyone else leaves to tell you what she wants to do. When everyone has that one friend or third party, there is one person who feels they cannot talk. If you see her waiting until others leave to suggest another activity, she will often crush you and try not to be clear about it. It's hard to tell if she likes you when everyone else is around when you first meet her, so she will wait until they leave. The only way to know for sure is if she talks to you when they are around. But if she does not feel comfortable because everyone else is there, it may be obvious. A girl who wants to be around you can definitely have feelings for you. If a girl tries to get to know you, she is silent and makes no plans after everyone else has left. As she tries to distance her friends, it's a quiet signal that the day is officially over. She wants you, she knows it. Number 8. She is excited when you sing. She is always looking forward to seeing you and is excited when you get together, usually when a girl feels you. She will be excited thinking about you. Every time a girl truly loves someone, they look forward to seeing them. If a girl likes you and wants to spend time with you, she will always be happy to see you and be ready to spend time with you. But wait, I'll tell you something. A woman is attracted to a man who is confident in himself, understands who he is, and is clear about what he wants. A woman can usually be judged by the way he acts. So if she's excited to see you often, it's probably because she feels the confidence and positive energy you get from her. This goes back to what I said earlier. Women are not hard to understand. You only need someone you know to show you the way. Number 9. She makes you feel more important than you actually are. Because she knows you are important to her, she will most likely make sure you have a better seat than everyone else. This shows that if she wants to fit in with everyone else because she cares about you, she will not care so much about your posture and comfort level. It shows that she wants to make sure you feel important and that her attention is a good thing. This is a big sign that she likes you and cares about you, because if she wants to socialize with everyone else, why make sure she sits in a better area? If a girl is interested in you and passionate about you, she will most likely treat you as more important than other people. She not only treats you with respect and dignity, but also shows it in her actions. She cares a lot about your well-being, so she is usually not afraid to ask something or what your opinion is. Number 10. She sometimes makes sure that she sits next to you during a movie. If a girl really likes you, she will often make sure that she sits next to you, especially during a movie or concert. She will often ask you, "Do you want to sit next to me?" Or "Do you mind if I sit next to you?" In this situation, she asks this question, it's probably because she wants to be around you. She cares about your well-being and wants to flirt with you. She will be the last person to sit because she wants to make sure you are comfortable. The result of her seating arrangement is that she sits to your right or to her left. Depending on where you are in the theater or location, this shows that she may have feelings for you. Number 11. She'll always look at you during conversations, even if she's talking to someone else. If she is interested in you, she will make sure that she looks at you every time you have a conversation. It's the general mentality of someone who loves you. However, very few people understand this little gesture. It not only shows that she cares about what you say, but also shows how much she cares about you and what you think about it. It shows that she wants to be with you and that you are important to her. She shows that she not only likes what you say, but also cares about your life. Here's the thing, she usually looks at you to observe your creation in a conversation, and she loves your beauty too. Number 12. She'll always update you on what's happening in her life. The biggest sign that she is passionate about you is that she is always sure to provide updates on what is going on in her life. Why? Because she wants you to know more about her and to know what is happening to her. After associating with someone or after a first date, she usually makes sure to send you an SMS to tell you what happened. If something happens, it's important that you talk about it. She shows that she wants you to be really close to her. If two people are hanging out, they usually talk about what they did before they hung up. If they had a normal conversation, they would not need to receive text messages the next morning. It shows that she cares a lot about you. Number 13. She is interested in what you like. If she has a crush on you, she will probably find a way to do something good for you. She will often ask you about different things and what you like. She will be really interested in experimenting with new things with everyone else and using the same things that everyone else uses. If she likes you, she will want to be around you as much as possible. No wonder. She will want other girls to try and learn what she likes to impress them with. She makes sure you are comfortable and have what you need. She is also looking for ways you can do something good. Number 14. She often compliments you on everything that you do. The biggest sign that she cares about you is when she praises you for everything you do. She praises not only your appearance, but also the other things you do. If you ask her to relax and watch a movie with you, she will praise your choice of movies or the decision you made to associate. If you are wearing a new shirt, she will not hesitate to appreciate your outfit before saying anything else. She will always compliment you first, and her compliment will get a smile on your face. And the more praise you get, the happier you will be because it shows that you feel good about yourself. Number 15. She keeps extra food for you every time she cooks for herself. Every boy likes to eat. If you cook, be sure to keep extra food for yourself. But if she always makes extra food while she is at home, then she can crush you. It shows that she wants to make sure you are well nourished, which is a good sign that she has feelings for you. If she already has feelings for you, she will want to make sure she cares about you and will probably add a little extra to everything or add a spare part to your favorite food. It shows that she really cares about you and always thinks of you, even when cooking. Number 16. She says things to make you feel uncomfortable about yourself. The biggest sign that she cares about you is when she says things that make you uncomfortable. She can say, "You're a very good man," or "You're so beautiful." This is definitely not a bad thing, but it can make you uncomfortable. If this happens, ignore what she says and do not listen. If you listen to it, it will make you feel bad about yourself and show that you are insecure about yourself. It also shows that she thinks highly of you because if she wants to have a good time or get along with everyone else, why would she bother you? She shows that she cares about you and does not want to make you feel bad. Thanks so much for watching. Check out this next video.